Easiest drip setup guide for turning your hundreds into millions. DRIP is an interesting crypto project created on the Binance Smart Chain, providing lucrative passive income. I'm assuming you are here because you have already researched the DRIP network. If not, my other articles will give you some insight. So, are you excited to be part of the DRIP community and generate huge amounts of passive income in a few simple steps? First, start with setting up your BSC or Metamask wallet. Steps to set up DRIP Wallet. Step 1. Set up your Metamask wallet. Download the Metamask app from the App Store or Play Store. You can also install the Metamask extension if you are setting it up on your PC. Metamask is supported by most browsers including Chrome, Edge, Brave, and Firefox. Remember to write your 12-word seed phrase somewhere safe because it cannot be recovered once misplaced. You can watch YouTube tutorials and learn to add the Binance Smart Chain network to your Metamask wallet. Step 2. Connect your Metamask wallet to the DRIP network. Click on the DRIP network website to go to their home page. Click on the Connect Wallet option given in the top right corner. A pop-up screen will open where you have to click on the Metamask icon. Enter your password when asked and voila, your wallet is connected to the DRIP network. Step 3. Buy your DRIP. You can either purchase your DRIP through the DRIP network or PancakeSwap. The price on PancakeSwap will be cheaper than the DRIP network website. You might be tempted to buy your DRIP from there, but there's a catch. The tax amount is already included in the price given on the DRIP network's website. Meanwhile, the prices on PancakeSwap do not include any tax amount, so you will be required to pay tax while depositing the tokens into the DRIP Faucet. You may think you're buying DRIP at cheaper rates, when in fact, you aren't. Click on the swap link on the top menu of the DRIP network system. Click on the Buy DRIP option given in the top right section of the page. You will then see the BNB to DRIP ratio and the current price of DRIP. Enter the amount of BNB in the given box and keep adjusting it until you get the amount to buy the desired units of DRIP shown underneath. Click on Buy and the tokens will be received in your wallet. You will need to add the tokens manually if you can't see them in the wallet. Step 4. Confirming your buddy address. You would need a buddy address to deposit your DRIP into the DRIP Faucet. If you already got a buddy, well done. If not, don't worry. You can use my reference link. Click on the faucet option given on the top. Scroll down to get to the Get a Buddy section. Click on Buddy Detected and it will enter the buddy address automatically, and then click on Update. Confirm this through Metamask and then you're ready. Step 5. Deposit your DRIP into the faucet. Scroll back up on the faucet page. Click on Max to deposit all your DRIP into the faucet, and then click on the deposit option given below. Approve the process through Metamask and allow it a few seconds to process the transaction. Click OK on the deposit confirmation pop-up. A 10% tax fee will be deducted and you would see the remaining DRIP sitting there. Step 6. Start hydrating. Hydrating is the easiest step. Click on the Hydrate button given in the right part of the screen. Approve the Metamask pop-up window. Then, the available funds will be added to your deposits after deducting 5% tax. You have to do this every day for 2 years, but it's such a simple, small, and quick step to gain millions in investment. Step 7. Accelerate the timeline. Deploy the following strategies to fasten the process of hitting those humongous passive income numbers. Add more deposits to your initial DRIP amount. You can add as much as you want. Benefit your friends and family by becoming their buddy and setting up a downline team. You'll be then eligible for referral and round-robin rewards. Read my article to get more information on referrals and maximizing your rewards. Final thoughts. Crypto is a volatile industry and there are some risks involved, just like with other investments. One must invest their money only after performing thorough research and according to their risk appetite. I hope this article informed you about the possibilities of generating a lucrative amount through the DRIP network. This isn't financial advice, and one must invest only that amount of money that they can afford to lose. Know more about DRIP through the DRIP Light Paper.